FX-12S model centerless grinder. Adoption of high rigidity structure. The base of the centerless grinder is made of high-grade cast iron FX-12S and is normalized by heat treatment to ensure no thermal deformation after long-term use. And the double D-slide design and precision spatula ensures long-term accuracy maintenance. The grinding wheel and adjusting wheel dressing device are precision spade processed, and the grinding wheel dressing device can be adjusted 6度. The widest range of models to meet various grinding needs. The most complete range of special configurations to expand the range of grinding machine applications and automated retrofitting. Grinding machines undergo the most stringent trial grinding tests and quality control to ensure the best performance and accuracy without failure.